Hi guys, welcome to the channel. We are now in Vienna, where the new Škoda Scala has its European premiere. So let's take a closer look and see all the details of this very important model. Okay, so before we start, if you are not subscribed, do subscribe if you want to see more car reviews in the future. So, why did I say a very important model for Škoda? Well, because Scala is actually replacing the Rapide. So this will be the replacement, and as you can see, it was inspired by Division RS, the concept that we saw in Paris a few months ago, and I love the fact that they decided to, keep a lot of details from the concept and make them here in the series production model. So you have this very nice LEDs, you have this massive front mask, and overall the front looks very, very aggressive and nice, especially in this lovely blue color with this 18-inch wheels. So as you can see, Scala is a proper hatchback, which means it will definitely fight cars like Ford Focus or, for example, Kia Ceed and even Volkswagen Golf. So tell me in the comments, which one would you pick? And really it's going to be a big, opponent to all the other models on the market. Now let's move on to the back. I mean, just look at this. So you have this detail here. This is everything here, glass all the way up to here. Then you have this very nice Škoda letters. They decided to, put the letters instead of the badge. I like that. I think it looks more, premium. This very, very nice horizontal LEDs. And then you also have the dynamic indicators, something that we were used to seeing only on Audi models, but now you get it in Škoda. Some people say that this part here reminds them of the Volvo V40. Now tell me in the comments what you think. I don't think, they are that similar, but some people do think. One thing that I would love to see definitely are the exhausts, but unfortunately no exhausts here. Now, car is currently locked, but you can see that it has the digital dashboard in front of the driver and also additional screen here at the center, 9.2-inch screen, and looks very, very nice. Speaking of the engines, there are three petrol options: the 1-liter TSI with 95 and 115 horsepower, then you have the stronger 1.5 liter with 150 horsepower, and there's one diesel option with 115 horsepower, which comes from 1.6 liter TDI. There's also a CNG version with 90 horsepower. Tell me in the comments which model and which the option would you choose. Would you go for a diesel or a petrol version, or even CNG? Okay guys, so this is the first look and a quick review of the new Škoda Scala. It's gonna be, a strong opponent to all the other cars in the hatchback class. And tell me in the comments, do you like it? I think it's gonna be great value for money. Prices are not announced yet. However, Škoda always has, great value for money. So I do believe that's gonna be the case also with this one. Thank you very much for watching. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already to see all the latest car reviews. That's it for now. Bye bye from Vienna.